Hi guys, the other day I made this rubber band powered car using glass drinking straws that I picked up in Lidl. Ernesto glass straws. Not very practical because they're likely to break if I hit something hard enough with them. I think they're about 10mm diameter. So I redesigned my 3D files to use these ones. I'm sorry about the brightness going up and down. That's because I'm filming late at night. Yeah, these are Poundland. I think they're steel, stainless steel straws. Well, whatever they are, they're metal anyway. And these are about 6mm diameter. So obviously I've had to reprint it a different size. So I'll finish putting this one together and then we'll give it a run. So practically identical to the original glass one, but this one should be a bit safer to run. So a couple of rubber bands. And then to attach to the axle, all I do is just roll it over the top, hold it in place, wrap it round, and it holds itself in place. And we wind it up and let it go. So that works. If you want me to, I will make the 3D files available on Thingiverse, but they're nothing special. But they're available, or they will be available if you ask me.